Hi, I'm Mark with Retail Resource, and we've got this fantastic new product in. It's a ready-to-assemble portable fixture, and we're going to show you right now how quickly that is to put together. Okay, you can see how simple that was to put together. The RTA portable display fixture does come with the slotted center panel, which will accept most slat wall accessories, including slat wall shelf brackets that will hold the 4 additional matching shelves that you have in the box. And those can be adjusted at any height. What's great about this fixture as well, as in addition to having the front side, if you'd like to shelve it, it is able to be accessorized on the back side as well, and would fit a standard 4-inch peg hook. Lots of great slat wall accessories that can be used with this fixture, and it also comes with a sign topper that will accept your own sign in the top, or perhaps a chalkboard sign that you can write any message and change throughout your selling season. See the RTA portable display fixture and other great innovative products we have, please visit us at www.retailresource.com.